Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Zanatul Makwah with student ID number 2410122200034, Group 1 Semeru. I am from the Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Lambung Mangkurat University. And this video, I want to present my essay on the theme of ethics of respecting others with the title as Ethics of Respecting Others in Daily Social Interaction. Social interaction is an integral part of human life. Ethics is what underlies the character of students. A good student must have good ethics too. However, not all students pay attention to ethics. Nowadays, there are many issues or cases of students who lack ethics in the educational environment. Lack of respect or lecture is often a problem of student ethics. For example, students do not pay attention when the lecturer is talking or explaining the material. Ethics in academic discipline that deals with morality and the principles used to determine what is right and wrong in a situation. Ethics also includes ideas and arguments about what is good or bad, right or wrong, fair or unfair, and so on. Its purpose is to support individuals and society in making the right and morally appropriate decisions. Ethics plays an important role in shaping human behavior and conduct when dealing with other people, the environment, and the world around us. Ethics is something we learn yourself at home, at school, in religious education, and in society in general. However, this does not guarantee that one will gain any positive lessons from ethics. The essence of all ethics lessons is how we can respect others and not just think of ourselves. The issue of ethics is a sensitive one. Ethics guides one to live in a way that is right and acceptable to everyone. Respecting others also includes being aware of personal boundaries. Respecting the privacy of others means not forcing others to disclose information that they do not want to disclose. By respecting privacy, we show that we respect individual freedom and do not want to overstep its boundaries. One of the key aspects of social ethics is the ability to respect others. Quality life is characterized by social harmony. Harmony in socio-cultural diversity is the existence of harmony and harmony in cultural diversity and social wealth. This reflects the motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means different but still one with diversity, and as Indonesian citizens, we should be grateful. This diversity is found in ethnicity, race, religion, ideology, politics, social, cultural, economy, and others. Indonesia's ethics in religious diversity must be interpreted as well that must be cultivated and protected together. By being tolerant, we not only respect diversity, but also contribute to creating a peaceful and harmonious society. Respecting other people's opinions in social interaction is one form of embracing diversity. Difference of opinion often lead to conflict if not handled properly, but with openness and tolerance, these differences can become a source of critical thinking. Respecting differences does not mean agreeing with everything that others do, but rather respecting their right to different opinions, beliefs, and ways of life. Tolerance of differences is the cornerstone of peaceful social life. In a heterogeneous society, these differences can cover many dimensions, from political views to religion to lifestyle preference. Respecting others not only benefits the person being respect, but also ourselves. One of the biggest benefits of respecting each other is that it creates better and more harmonious social relationships. This creates positive relationships in various areas of life, such as work, school, and family. In addition, respecting others also improves one's self-image. Similarly, people who won't show respect to others are more likely to receive sympathy and help when needed in everyday life. After all, respecting others is also good for mental health. Therefore, respecting others is important not only for maintaining peace in society, but also maintaining one's own well-being. Social interaction is an inevitable activity in human life. Every day, we interact with various people, including in our families, school, workplace, and public place. Therefore, ethics in social interaction is very important to maintain good and harmonious relationships. The ethics of respecting others in social interaction is an integral part of the norms upheld in society and helps prevent conflict and strengthen social cohesion. Respect for others in social interactions is a fundamental aspect that determines the quality of relationships between individuals. Respecting others not only builds better relationships but also strengthens a sense of community and understanding. In the family, workplace, and society as a whole, this mutual respect can create a more harmonious atmosphere, prevent conflict, and improve emotional and social well-being. Social interactions often occur in the work environment and play an important role in productivity and job satisfaction. Respecting others in the workplace is not just about good manners. It's also about how one works together as a team, values the ideas of others, and does not belittle the contributions of coworkers. One of the best ways to show appreciation in the workplace is to respect other people's opinions, even if they differ from our own. This shows that you are upon the other points of view and do not feel superior to others. Respecting other people's time is also an important part of work ethic. Showing up on time to meetings, completing tasks on time, and not wasting coworkers' time on unnecessary things are all forms of respect. In addition, acknowledging and recognizing the work of others is a form of recognition that is highly valued in a professional environment. In addition, it is important to provide feedback that is constructive and not demeaning. Criticism expressed in a negative or derogatory tone will only adversely affect the working relationship and create an unpleasant atmosphere. One of on the other hand, through constructive and friendly criticisms, we show that we not only appreciate the work of others but also care about their development. Education plays an important role in instilling the ethics of respecting others. Children should be taught from an early age to appreciate different cultures, beliefs, and perspectives. Schools are ideal place to instill these values through character education embedded in the curriculum. Teachers can lead by example by showing respect to students and coworkers. In this way, students learn that respecting others is part of a healthy social life. Education also includes teaching social skills such as good listening, respectful communication, and peaceful conflict resolution. When children are taught to respect others from an early age, they are more likely to carry these values into adulthood and apply them in more complex social interaction at work and in society. In addition to formal education, education at home is also very important in instilling the values of respecting others. Parents play a big role in teaching their children to treat others with respect. The example parents set in terms of language and behavior towards others help children develop their own attitudes. Respecting others in daily social interaction is important to maintain harmony in many aspects of life, including the home, workplace, community, and digital space. Practicing respect in public and digital space through good communication, tolerance of difference, respect for privacy, and adherence to ethics can build better relationships and a healthier social environment. Both formal and non-formal education play a big role in instilling these values early on. After all, respect for others is key to building a peaceful, harmonious, and inclusive society. The ethics of respecting others in daily social interaction is an important element in maintaining harmony and peace in various aspects of life. Respect is expressed not only in words but also in actions such as listening, appreciating differences of opinion, respecting the privacy of others, and communicating respectfully. It creates a positive and supportive atmosphere in the home, workplace, public space, and even in the digital world. Education, but at home and at school, plays an important role in instilling these values. The earlier the technical value of respecting others is instilled, the greater the formation of society conscious individuals. Applying these ethics not only improves the quality of social relationships but also builds a more inclusive, tolerant, and harmonious society where every individual is valued and respected. There are some of the references I've gotten for this essay. Thank you for your time and attention in listening to this presentation. Hope the ideas shared here can serve as inspiration and reflection for all of us as we upload the values of respecting others. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.